Hello and welcome to another fond memory vacation video. I'm Tony, and today we will be taking a look at the PlayStation Fidget Spinner. Hi guys, welcome to the inaugural episode of Let's Begin Unboxing, where we do just that, unbox stuff. Now I know that the fidget spinner fad is already over, but I figured I would do a video on this because it was pretty obscure in my opinion. It's a PlayStation fidget spinner with the PlayStation symbols, and if we take a look around the box, there's a warning label in the back and the choking hazard, which is misspelled, and it says it's made in China. And apart from that, there's really nothing else apart from this checkerboard design in the front. So let's crack open the box. I figured I would do a video on this because it was pretty obscure in my opinion. It sure got my attention since I'm a huge PlayStation fan, and I kind of like fidget toys. Well, I really like fidget toys a few months back when they were popular. And my first impressions are it's so-so, I guess. I figured that it would be made of hard plastic, but the material is really soft. Other than that, I really like it. Well guys, that concludes our Let's Begin Unboxing video, and this is Fond Memory Vacation signing out.